The SMARTank portal and the SMARTank mobile app are designed with one goal in mind: make servicing your tanks more efficient. SMARTank monitors are typically configured to wake up daily to report tank level, battery status, sensor status, and more. Data is sent to the SkyBitz Tank Monitoring Center where it is compiled and processed, giving you the analytics, insights, and notifications to groups or individuals designated to act on that information. The SMARTank portal provides a clean, well-organized user experience. The latest update includes a new user interface with a map-centric approach. Let me show you around. To access the SMARTank portal, go to smartank.com/portal. Use your current username and password. In the upper right corner of the portal, you can access your profile information under My Profile. From here, you can make changes to your personal information, change your password, and modify SMARTank configuration parameters unique to your account. Make sure the checkbox Use New Tank List is enabled to access the newest layout. Also, if your devices do not support Adobe Flash, check Use Speed over Flash. Now that you've updated your profile, let's look at the home screen. Along the top of the page, there are 5 tabs: Home, Tanks, Users, Organizations, and Locations. This is your main navigation through the portal. The Home tab is the dashboard of the SMARTank portal. It provides a list of all your tanks and a summary of the symbols that visually indicate the tank status. The Tanks tab displays all tanks in your organization. This tool allows you to see the data that matters most to you. By applying filters and setting options, the list of tanks is refined to show the information that you need to service your tanks efficiently. From the Home or the Tanks tab, you can select an individual tank by clicking the name of the tank. The Users tab allows your SMARTank administrator to add users or groups of users who can access the system. User access is highly customizable to control access to the data in your site. The Organizations tab enables you to add organizations and sub-organizations. This way, you can create a structure that matches your business needs. The Locations tab helps define a logical group of locations. This may be a physical place or simply a collection of tanks in the same general area. You can also use Global Search to search by MIN number, tank name, location name, or by serial number. From the Tanks tab, you can select an individual tank name or use filters to focus your list. In this filter example, let's select 3 locations and display a map view of the tanks. Map pins indicate tanks. Click a pin for additional information or click View Tank Details. Select Map View again to toggle or turn off Map View. Select an individual tank name to display tank details. The current configuration and status of an individual tank is displayed. From here, you can also easily add tank and RTU notes to the database. For individual tanks, you may see some or all of these tabs: Details, Map, Permissions, History, Usage, Diagnostics, Setup, Alarms, and Service. The Map tab displays where the tank is physically located on Google Maps. There are 5 ways to define a map position: by street address, cell tower position, GPS position, from GPS metadata in a photograph, or by map pin position. The Permissions tab allows the administrator or specific users to control access by tank, by location, and by organization. The History tab default view shows a 30-day history of the tank. You can easily adjust the date range and export the data. Usage displays a 30-day view of the material in your tank. This data is used to project estimated time to alarm set points and critical levels. The Diagnostics tab provides an overview of the monitor's connection to the cellular network. The Setup tab is only available for administrator users. In the Setup, you add data required to define the physical size and shape of the tank, the product in the tank, tank ID, location, and the initial condition or level of the material in the tank. The Alarms tab defines the conditions to be monitored automatically by SMARTank. Control alarms and triggers for each alarm condition. Administrator users can adjust the alarm monitor wake up and call time. The Service tab is only available for administrator users. Here you can configure client monitors, swap or move tanks, or RMA SMARTank monitors. Now that you know your way around the SMARTank portal, check out our other videos that provide more feature-specific training. Thank you for letting me show you around. Please contact SkyBitz Tank Monitoring Customer Care with any questions regarding this feature.